Must-have spring decor, trends you'll want in your home. Can you feel it? The days are getting longer, the sun is shining brighter, and there's this fresh, new energy in the air. Yep, spring is finally here. As the seasons change, it's natural to feel the urge to refresh our living spaces. Simple updates can bring new energy and positivity into your home. There's just something about this season that makes you want to open the windows, let in that warm breeze, and swap out those cozy winter vibes for something light, bright, and full of life. But where do you start? How do you bring that fresh spring feeling into your home without making it look like an Easter party exploded? So, in today's video, we're sharing the must-have spring decor trends that will transform any home into a bright and refreshing retreat. Let's get started. Bloomcore aesthetic, because florals are forever. Spring without florals? Impossible! But this year, it's not just about fresh flowers in a vase. We're going full Bloomcore. Think floral wallpaper, botanical prints, and flower-shaped decor that bring an instant springtime mood. And if you love an effortless touch, dried flowers in muted pastel shades are trending big time. Dopamine Decor, color that sparks joy. Spring is not the time to play it safe. This season, it's all about bold, happy colors that lift your mood. Swap out neutral pillows for bright citrus tones, add a funky, colorful vase, or a pastel statement chair. It's all about tiny pops of color that make you smile every time you walk in. Sardine trend. Food-themed decor has been popular for a while, from tomatoes to cherries. But this year, sardines are taking over. This quirky fish design is popping up everywhere, whether it's on plates, kitchen towels, or wall art. It's a fun and unexpected trend that's making waves in home decor. Nature-infused interiors, because we all need a little green. Indoor-outdoor living is a whole vibe this season. Open up your space with lightweight linen curtains, add a statement indoor tree like an olive tree or a fiddle leaf fig, and let natural textures like rattan, cane, and wood take over your furniture and accessories. Wavy, curvy, and organic shapes. Say goodbye to sharp edges. This season, it's all about soft, fluid shapes, curved mirrors, squiggly side tables, cloud-like sofas. If it looks like something out of a dreamy Instagram feed, it's in. Lavender love, the it color of spring. Move over millennial pink. Lavender is the new star of the season. From wall paint to cozy throw blankets, adding a touch of lavender gives your space that soft, dreamy springtime glow. Glass and transparent decor. Light, airy, and elegant. If you want to make your space feel bigger and brighter, clear glass furniture and accessories are the way to go. Glass coffee tables, vases, and even acrylic chairs add an effortlessly modern touch. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your space and have fun with decor. This season is all about fresh colors, floral designs, and fun patterns like the sardine trend, bringing a bright and lively feel to your home. So, which of these trends are you excited to try in your home? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more design inspiration.